हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 10 इंग्लिश कुमार भारती यूनिट 2 का 2.1 एनिमल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके पहले हम यूनिट 1 कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे तो ज़रूर से देखिएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 2.1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, जिसमें सबसे पहले हमें दिया है अबाउट द पोयम। तो इसके लिए आपको वीडियो पॉज करना होगा और आंसर्स देखने होंगे बच्चों। इसके बाद में है न्यू वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस। देन वार्मिंग अप, गेट इनटू pairs and attempt the following. The more learn about people, the more I like my dog. Mark Twain. Discuss with your partner what Mark Twain means from the above quote. Write in your own words. See your answer. Then put the following attributes, abilities given below in a proper circle. तो इसको भी देखने के लिए आपको वीडियो पॉज करना होगा। और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या फिर मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विज़िट कर रहे हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। At times, especially when you are frustrated, you wish you were an animal, a bird, a fish, a butterfly, and not a human being. Say which of the above you would choose to transform and give 3 or 4 reasons for your choice. We come across many animals in our vicinity. We have also read about different animals in books. Make a list of all animals that fall under various categories. So amphibians, mammals, wild animals, aquatic animals and pet animals. In text questions, what craze do animals never display? What could have happened to the tokens of the poet's self? Then English workshop, complete the following. The poet wishes he could turn and live with animals. Animals do not complain about their conditions. Animals do not merely discuss about their duty to God. Animals are not crazy about owning things. Then next move to true or false. Animals are self-reliant. True. Animals quarrel for their possessions. False. Animals do not worship the other animals. True. Humans have given up many good qualities. True. Animals suffer humiliation. False. The poet has retained all his natural virtues. False. With the help of the poem, find the difference between animals and human beings. So always complaining about their condition, never complain about their anything, always sweating and within about their conditions, never sweat and whine about their condition, always kneeling to another human being, do not kneel to another nor to its kind. All human beings are dissatisfied and demented with the mania of owning things. Animals are never dissatisfied and demented with the mania of owning things. Read the text again and complete the verb. So this is the verb. Then personal response. Contentment is bliss. Do you agree? Grammar and vocabulary building. Poetic device. Match the words given in a table A with their meanings in table B. So this is the answer. Then find adjectives from the poem which refer to positive and negative thinking. So positive are placid, self-contained, respectable, negative is demented, unhappy, dissatisfied. Then find out lines from the poem that are examples of following figures of speech. So repetition, this is a alliteration and hyperbole. Identify the figures of speech in the following lines. I stand and look at them long and long. Repetition. They do not sweat and while about their conditions. Onomatopoeia. Personification. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Alliteration. Not one is demented with the mania of owning things is a personification. They bring me token of myself is a metaphor. No one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth is a hyperbole. Then comprehension. List the things that animals do not do. So animals do not sweat and whine about their conditions, lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins, discuss about their duty to God, get dissatisfied, get demented with the money of owning things, kneel to another. Then complex sexual activities. What does the poet Walt Whitman admire like about animals? The poet feels that the animals are placid. They do not sweat and whine about their conditions. They do not grumble all the time. They do not weep for their sins. They do not have a mania of owning things. They are not dissatisfied or unhappy with their conditions on earth. They reveal their positions of love and compassion easily to the poet. What are the poet's thoughts at the end of the poem? At the end of the poem, the poet sees all the good qualities of the animals. When he sees their relations towards him, he accepts them. He loves to be with the animals. After he mingles with them, he wonders about where they got all their tokens from and he asked himself whether he had passed that way many years ago and dropped by mistake their good habits bestowed upon him by God. Then poetic device. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? What is such a poem called? There is no rhyme scheme in this poem. Such a poetry is called free verse. Name and explain the figures of speech. I stand and look at them long and long. Repetition. The word long is repeated to stress and time to create a better poetic effect. They do not sweat and whine about their conditions. Onomatopoeia. The word whine gives the sound of unhappiness is used to create a better poetic effect. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? Hyperbole. The statement is exaggerated. Interrogation. Interrogation is used for emphasis. Then appreciation of the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points. So animals. Animals written by the Walt Whitman describes how the poet finds animals to be more superior to human beings, calm and self-sufficient. They do not whine or weep about their surrounding conditions, always satisfied. They carry out their duties to the Almighty. Due to these reasons, the poet desires the company of animals. The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans, whom he finds complicated and false. While comparing animals to us, the poet draws our attention to the degeneration of essential human values like contentment and simplicity, which were once a part of our identity, the virtues which we once possessed. A poem with a profound message. There are several beautiful lines in them which forces us to think and ponder about the materialistic existence which we lead. Through the lines such as they do not sweat and whine about their conditions and they are so placid and self-contained, the poet nudges and pushes us to develop these very positive qualities in us. Written in a unique style, this vivid and descriptive poem is a free verse. The tone is reflective. The poem encourages us to bring back good values in our life. The simple language used helps in conveying the message more effectively. Effective use of figures of speech like alliteration, repetition, tautology, personification, hyperbole, interrogations, and to the beauty of the poem. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth, conveys the disillusions the poet harbors for us human beings. A beautiful use of hyperbole. This poem encourages us to unlearn certain things and learn good values and good habits from the animals. A tribute to the animals. This poem is a message that we as a humans should put an end to our miseries and find a calm by being content with what life has to offer. Creative writing. Write the paragraph of 100 words based on the information given in the following table and give a suitable title for it. So, plants and animals found in the different types of forests. We can broadly classify forests into equatorial evergreen forest and marshes. In the equatorial evergreen forest, the plants which are predominantly found are mahogany, rosewood, ironwood, or oil palm. The equatorial evergreen forest has a rich animal life which includes different types of monkeys, snakes, lizards, bats, and say flies. The marshes comprises a multitude of plants and trees like mangrove, creepers, and tall trees like mahogany. The major types of animals found in the marshes are different types of insects, snakes, crocodiles, say and other flies. तो इसी के साथ में हमने एनिमल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिनिश किए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम मिलेंगे 2.23 क्वेश्चंस के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.